I've logged into my Tinkercad account and we're going to make some pentominoes. Now a pentomino is an object of 5 square units in area connected by its flat edges and not its corners. So we're just going to use the cube tool here, and we can make a single one of these and copy these and combine them to make our different objects. So we're going to make one here, so I'm going to click on this, and I think 20 is going to be too big for our purposes, so I'm going to make ours 10 and then 10, and I'm going to make it just 5 millimeters high. So we can now zoom in. This is my pentomino, and we're going to explore how many of these we can make. So what we can do now is we can copy this, and so I'm just going to align them up. One, let's make another one. And so here we go. This is our first pentomino. So far we've got 3 square unit areas. Drag this one across, and we could put one here like that. And Command V. Let's put this one over here like that, so we can have this one. We just need to make sure that everything's aligned. It is, and we need to make sure we've got another one ready for our next block. So this is one pentomino here, and we need to combine these. So I'm going to select those 5. So just make sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct. Use the combine or group function here. There we go, and I'm going to change the color just to differentiate what each one of these are. Let's just do this one more. There's another pentomino we can make as a T. So we have 3 across the top and 2 down the middle. So drag this one across here. And I've moved the wrong one, so Command Z. This one. Align. Now, sometimes with some of these shapes you might get out of whack. So what we can do is we can just highlight the ones that we want to make sure, and click up here and make sure they're all aligned. Yes, they are. And then we want to click on these ones and make sure these are aligned. We're using the Shift key here to select these, and click on the center button and make sure they're aligned. Yes, they are. And so now I can highlight these 5, and we can click the group function. I'm going to change the color on this, and now of course we can now start building our pentomino pattern. So if we look at the top here, scroll down, we can see how this all now fits together if we were to print it out. And so this is how you can start making the individual pentomino models that you can then export as an STL. So let's look at that. So once you've got these models all sorted, if you want to print all these out in one go, once you're ready, you click on Export, you select STL, and it's downloaded as click on Open File. Oh, it's going to send it straight to my Maker. There we go. It's now been put straight into my Maker software, and now I can just click Print. But I haven't got a printer added, but a MakerBot printer added here. But now I could just click Print, and I'd be away. So that's how you can then send it through to your attached printer. So that's how you make a pentomino. Good luck. It's just remember to click Paste to get your template pentomino back again, and just keep building. Good luck.